Alright, what is going on, guys? This is our 2021 or 2020 absolute football break. Here is our owners list. We do have some teams for sale. We have the Cardinals and the Falcons for 8. We have the Panthers for 8. The Bears for 8. We have Houston for 8. Jacksonville for 8. The Rams for 8. So we could do 8 a pop or do all for 35. Here's our sealed absolute box. Okay. Hopefully I can get you something good. How you doing today, Phil? Alright, I'll give anyone that's just tuning in right now like another minute or so. We do have teams for sale. They're 8 a pop, or we could do all for 35. Alright, I'm gonna get started. Alright, so starting off with Devontae Adams. Got CeeDee Lamb. Got an introductions, Joe Burrow. Raheem Mostert. Kenneth Murray. Antonio Gibson. Ooh, and Justin Herbert. It's a nice way to start off the pack opening. And these are going to the Rams, or the Chargers. This one's going to Steve L. If you're in there, Steve, how you doing? Got a a Joe Burrow. Introductions insert. And that one is going to Cincy. That one's going to James S. If you're in here, James, how are you doing today? It would be awesome if I could pull a Kaboom. I've been dying to pull one. Got a D-Hop. Tyler Boyd. Got Tom Brady. Denzel Mims. Got a Jalen Johnson. Got a Darnell Mooney. Van Jefferson. Got a Juju Smith. Josh Jacobs. Got an Austin Eckler. Ooh, and a Jalen Hurts green. Got a green Antonio Winfield. Ooh, got another Jalen Hurts. Got two Jalen Hurts in the same pack. A.J. Dillon, Jonathan Taylor, Cole Kmet. Green. And we got a regular base. That one is going to Philly. That one's going to Riley P. How you doing, Riley? Got a Matt Ryan, Josh Allen, kind of introductions, Antonio Gibson. Got a Jerry Jeudy, CeeDee Lamb. Man, Riley, hopefully I can pull one. I've been dying to pull one. I haven't pulled one live yet. Got Larry Fitzgerald. Got a Raheem Mostert. Cole Kmet green. We got a Jacob Eason green. Got a Thaddeus Moss. Nick Chubb. Xavier McKinney. Cam Akers. Keyshawn Vaughn. Oh. And DJ Dallas. Trying to get you some. A Jerry Jeudy. Got a Donovan Peoples-Jones green. Got an Emmitt Smith. Patrick Queen. Jake Fromm. Justin Jefferson. And Isaiah Simmons. Got a Deebo Samuel. Gardner Minshew. Got a DeAndre Swift. Michael Pittman. Got a Henry Ruggs. Tyler Johnson. And a Jalen Johnson. Bobby Wagner. Got AJ Terrell. John Hightower. Got a green Henry Ruggs. Thaddeus Moss. Antonio Winfield. Got a Joshua Kelly. Marilyn Davidson. Still looking for first two of them. Devontae Parker. Hollywood Brown. J.K. Dobbins. Got a green Michael Pittman. Stargazing Russell Wilson. Got a Grant Delpit. Oh, there we go. See? Our first Tua. Javon Kinlaw. T. Higgins. And Anthony McFarland.
What's up if we want to score happy next?
Yeah, score is next after this one. This one's going to James. How you doing, James? No problem, no problem. Alright, guys. Oh, we got 3 packs left. Got Ezekiel Elliott. Tre'Davious White. That's good. I'm glad. That's the case. Got a Travis Kelce. Got an Anthony Miller. Ooh, got a Dwayne Haskins. This one's looking like it's gonna be numbered. Or is it? I don't know. Wait, yeah, it is. It's 107 to 199. And that one will be going to Steve L. Put that one right there. Jeremy Chin. Got a DeAndre Swift, Michael Pittman. Got a Trevon Diggs. Got a Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Kyle Duggar. It's Dwayne Haskins right here. This one's going to Steve L. Alright guys, 2 packs left. Maryland Mack, got a Jimmy G. Michael Thomas, Baker Mayfield. Got Cam Akers green, Keyshawn Vaughn green. Jared Pickney. James Morgan. Joe Reed. Alright guys, last pack. Got a Ben Roethlisberger, Darius Slayton. Lamar Jackson, Rob Gronkowski, AJ Green. And a Patrick Queen. Stargazing Julio Jones. Still wondering where he's going to go. Chase Young. And, oh, back-to-back Chase Young. Jalen Reagor. Got a Jordan Love. And I ended off with Cole McDonald. Alright, so going over a recap. Got a Dwayne Haskins to 199. 107 to 199. That focus. Got a Tua. Got a Jalen Hurts. Green Jalen Hurts. Got an introductions, Joe Burrow. And then ending it with a Justin Herbert. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this break. We will be back shortly in the next minute or two with score. Anyone that's not tuning into that next break, hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys in a little bit.